Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Comgrow Official Creality Ender 3v2 3D Printer. Without breaking the bank, the Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer has everything you could ever want in a beginner 3D printer. It's affordable, but that's no reflection of its performance and quality. The Ender 3v2 is capable of printing in a number of materials. Its carborundum glass platform ensures the print bed provides uniform heat. It also heats quickly, so each layer, especially your first layer, bonds to the bed without the assistance of adhesives. While the printer works, whether via USB cable or SD card, the silent motherboard supports faster printing, stable motion performance, anti-interference, and low decibel operation. The printer's equipped with a resume printing function, so it restarts at the last printed layer in the event of a power loss. Unfortunately, the printer's 4.3-inch color LCD screen isn't a touch screen, though it's still easy to navigate, and you can effortlessly change settings. And keep in mind that leveling the Ender 3v2's print bed is challenging, but it's able to produce many prints between leveling. Regardless of desirable upgrades, this printer is the perfect choice to get you started. At number 2. AnyCubic Photon UV LCD 3D Printer. AnyCubic's Photon Mono UV 3D printer provides the best value for an introductory 3D printer. It has a sleek, industrial metal design with a satin finish. Setup is painless thanks to the included software, and it has only 4 settings that call for immediate customization, unlike the full assembly process required by most 3D printers. Here, fewer settings don't mean you're making any substantial sacrifices. The printer's resolution is reasonably high with first-rate accuracy and smooth detail, and AnyCubic's printing speed is almost 3 times faster than regular 3D printers. Navigation is a breeze due to the 6-inch LCD screen. The interactive interface allows users to preview the monitor and print status in real time. Since the Photon Mono UV prints with liquid resin, it behaves differently than a filament printer. Resin printers cure liquid resin using UV light. They need a cover to block ineffective light from interacting with the prints and ruining them. But don't worry about having to buy a separate cover for this device. AnyCubic incorporated a UV blocking cover with the Photon Mono UV's design. For an additional cost, you can purchase a wash and cure machine from AnyCubic. At number 3. MYNT 3D Super 3D Pen Printer. Are you looking for an ultra-affordable 3D printer? MYNT 3D has you covered. Although the Super 3D Pen is not a traditional 3D printer, it gets the job done by working like a filament printer. It emits instantly cooled PLA or ABS filament, so you can draw almost any shape in 3D. Accuracy or lack thereof is the biggest issue with opting for a 3D pen over an actual 3D printer. Your finished products won't have the same precision or size you'd get using a traditional 3D printer. For beginners, however, freehand printing offers unmatched benefits. The Super 3D Pen allows you to quickly and easily create and repair 3D shapes without first designing them on a computer. And unlike a traditional 3D printer, this lightweight pen allows you to craft on the go. At number 4. Monoprice Select Mini 2 Printer. For newbies who desire a 3D printer equipped with all the bells and whistles, the Monoprice Select Mini 2 is a solid mid-range printer. It's effortless to operate, even with the premium features Monoprice integrated into its design. Not only does the printer ship fully assembled, but its software is also already fully integrated. If you're familiar with a popular program like Comgrow or Repetier, you won't experience much of a learning curve. The pre-calibrated Select Mini 2 is agreeable with your slicer of choice and preferred computer operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. The heated build plate, range of extruder temperatures, and high maximum temperature in Monoprice 3D printer let you work with a variety of simple and advanced materials. You'll also enjoy fast printing speeds and built-in fans that help to cool materials quickly. At number 5. FlashForge Finder 3D Printer. If you're shopping for a 3D printer with even more premium functions than the Monoprice Select Mini 2, the FlashForge Finder will likely suit your needs. It works with any computer operating system, and FlashForge designed it to connect to your computer via USB cable, Wi-Fi, or a USB drive. Once your printer is up and running, you can explore several intelligent features. Thanks to the assisted leveling system, users can calibrate the build plate for precise printing via instructions on the printer's 3.5-inch color touchscreen. The Finder's slide-in plate isn't heated and is easily removable. This particular build plate allows you to avoid damaging your creation and the build plate itself. Having a non-heated plate also reduces the potential safety concerns if you're using the 3D printer in a classroom or with your own children.